Congratulations. There we have the winner, Mr. Anuj Rajain, CEO, Soteria. Sir, congratulations. A few words from you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, OSPAS and BW Business World, as well as the jury for selecting us for this really prestigious award. I would also like to thank Dr. Anurag Batra as well as Kuwar Vikram Singh ji that they've thought us of honoring us with this award. We at Soteria have been pushing the boundaries to bring in technology and transform the physical security industry, and I'm really proud that we've got leaders and mentors who have been able to guide us through this really complex market and dynamic industry. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dr. Mathur. You wish to congratulate the winner.
Congratulations, Anuj, and very well done. Soteria, I'm aware of the work that you do. India was introduced to this concept C4I before the Commonwealth Games, so it's been 12 years, 11 years that this concept is picking up, and that's the future of the security. Well done, and many congratulations once again.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Mathur.
Thank you and congratulations, Anuj ji.